Here I have LENOVO K6, and today I'm going to show you how to change your icons shapes on this device. So actually you can change shapes of your icons which you have like on your home screen or your apps list. Firstly, you have to download this app, X Icon Changer. So you have to open this app and then watch some ads, of course. Yeah, TikTok, super. Oh, no, tap continue to the app. Then you have to pick an app, which icon you want to change. For example, McAfee security. And here you have different icons for this. Like you can set up any like icon from library. You can set up any other. Okay, so you have to watch some ads before you can unlock this feature. Beautiful. So we can pick from different categories here. I don't know. Let's pick, for example, I don't know which one to pick because I think this icon already is perfect. So okay, let's pick another app, for example, maybe Chrome, and just select maybe this one. Looks kind of aesthetic. And then just tap OK. Yeah. And as you can see, okay. So let's watch this ad. Skip it. And succeed. Wow. And as you can see now, Chrome. Okay. So now we have two Chromes. We have like our old Chrome and we have our new Chrome, which is like the new icon. Wow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.